G'day, Sambo here. What do we got? Sunday, 27th of January 2019. Got the year right as well. It's something like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, about that. I just thought I'd have a bit of a look through the top bar hive. I got honey. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cones of honey at least. And we've still got a fair while until winter yet, but I might see if I can take some honey out of them. Look at that. Now this can't go in the extractor, so all I can do is crush and strain. First trick, getting the bees off. Now when you're holding the frames, you always got to maintain them in the vertical plane. You can go like this, you can go upside down. As long as they're in that vertical plane, they're perfectly fine. As soon as you start tilting them, especially the honeycomb, it's just going to get really messy really fast. So we'll go over here to the bucket. That's it. Grab hold of that.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
And of course, bee stings don't bother him very much.
That one's done.
That one's done, yes.
Can you grab that knife, back of that knife, so you can scrape that stinger out? Awesome. That's it.
So he does not wear anything but a veil.
And I only wear the veil. I hate bees getting in my beard.
Whereas I am allergic. So I have full jacket, gloves, veil.
One thing I didn't show before, got my handy little knife that I made. And I just run that up the side of the hive. I just run that up the side.
And this is still the blue box honey.
Yep, this is good. Blue box is a variety of eucalyptus. Doesn't flower every year. So since I started keeping bees, it's only flowered in 2014 and 2018. It's a late spring, early summer bloomer. So it's entirely dependent on climatic conditions. I think that'll do. Pick that bucket up. What do you reckon?
Hard selling. Good. It's heavy.
Alrighty, put these back together.
Now explain why that one is darker color.
That one's probably had brood in it. And it's also probably some tea tree honey from last season.
Tea tree, also known as...
Not this one.
Not that one?
No, we don't have the... I've got Manuka as a type of tea tree.
Yes, it's a type, yes.
But there's about 85 different types of tea tree, so...
Whatever.
But the Manuka honey doesn't grow... Manuka tree doesn't grow around here.
Really? Not
Yep.
around here. Huh, I saw it. I thought it was all the same.
I've got it growing. But there's only that one tree in the yard. And from a hobbyist beekeeper's perspective, Manuka honey or a tea tree honey is just an absolute pain to work with because it's really thick. And here I'm just scraping the propolis off of the bars so that I can get the bars pushed up together against each other. There we go. And contrary to popular opinion, you don't need a fancy lid for a top bar hive. Just got to keep the weather off.
All your tools are still under there.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I'm going to lose them. Spend half the day looking for them. Cursing at you because you've been hiding my bloody beekeeping tools. And then I'll come and check that and I'll find them all again.
And then what will you do for me?
Might let you use them.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. See if I can do another video next week about the additions to the homestead, what we've got going on in here. Things have been happening in a major way. We've been, since Angela got here, we've really started moving. It's a lot easier when you've got two people working at things instead of just the one. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. See ya.